XC Outdoor Products Company Limited, located in Dongguan, close to Shenzhen and Hong Kong. Our factory, with an area of 2,700 square meters and about 40 employees. Our logo is BAYES. Our slogan, Air Elevate Your Brand to Success. Our products including inflatable tent, inflatable arch, inflatable furniture, display advertising products, inflatable shape, and all kinds advertising products. We are the OEM and ODM manufacturer which passed SGS. We supply free 3D design in 2 hours and supply quotation in 1 hour. Normal production time is in 7 to 9 days. Shipping by express to keep the delivery in 4 to 5 days. Our products with strictly inspections, with fire retardant certificate, and product with UV retardant, waterproof, and with wind test, and should be 100% full inspection with 48 hours air leaking test before shipping. Our product with only 1 MOQ and offer customization of logos, sizes, patterns, colors, and shapes, and so on. Our inflatable products are designed to be convenient with a lightweight and easy-to-assemble structure that can be installed separately in a few minutes by one person and keep to stay at least 30 days. Choosing BAYES means collaborating with a company dedicated to enhancing your business. We provide innovative and customized inflatable products to ensure excellent achievement of our together sales goals. Contact us at any time. We look forward to establishing a mutually beneficial relationship. Thank you for your attention and consideration.